Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So I'm back actually with not a college review, but since now we have this is for the Comet K students 2021, and what I have done is I've tried to find out based on the fees structure released by Comet KEA, which are the top 20 colleges which are available at a lower fees, right? So standard fees of a Comet K college, right, is like 2,21,000 for the CSC, right? So most of the colleges are charging like that, and those are the best colleges, right? But then there are the the students who don't are not able to get into top 20 colleges for some reason, and they want to study in Comet K through through other modes of through Comet K, right? So but they want to take CSC, ISC, and the top-notch branches up to ECE. So this is for those students, and they can this analyze those colleges, and based on the cutoff and the placement, which I have already done a review of so many colleges, you can decide which college to take. But once you have decided which college you have to take, and within that range, right, what are the college option which has a lower fees, right, then you can decide to take based on this fee structure. So this is basically cheap and best, right? So it will not cover most of the top 20 colleges. It will cover from the colleges which are ranked 20 to 50, right? So within 20 to 50, if you are looking for the college which is at a cheaper, right, and it justifies your value for money, then that is the list here. So let's start with so I have divided into four regions, right? So 10 of them are Bangalore, and then Mysore, then North Karnataka, and then the Bangalore region. So let's start with the Bangalore region. So the first college which I will say, on the list is, the PES College of Engineering, right, which is in Mandya. So I will have considered this as a part of Bangalore itself, which is very close to Bangalore. So if you see the PES college, right, this is into the top 10 engineering college, top 10, 12, right? So it is an IRF rank college. So it is still, it's not charging, 1 lakh, it's charging, its fees are 1,63,000 and not 2,21,000. So basically you are getting computer science, electronics, and all the branches at 1,60,000. So that's the reason it is first on the list. Second, coming to the Bangalore, like it's a decent college. I have reviewed this college and the videos are there. Again, this college is also available at 1,63,000. So in this category, that rank maybe 2, 3, 4, and maybe different variation. So you may consider college third as a second and second as third. But I have arranged more or less into the order. So Cambridge is the second best. Third is Don Bosco. So again, similar to the Cambridge, Don Bosco is also charging 1,63,000 for the computer related branches and up to electronics. So it is in the similar price fees range, right? And you can consider this college. Similarly, yesterday I have reviewed Global Academy of Technology, right? So that is also having the fees of 1,63,000 for that. So this third, second rank, third rank, fourth are similar colleges, and the fee structure also similar, but it is less than 2,21,000. So you can decide to take this, and few branches are even less than some 1,63,000. So I'll come to that. So fifth best in the on this list is the AMC College of Engineering. So this college also I have reviewed, and you see here we have gone down a little bit further, right? So in Bangalore itself, you are getting CSC, at 1,25,000. So that is very good. So you see the computer specializations at 1,43,000, and then some specializations at 1,25,000. And information science is available even at 1 lakh. So that's the reason I have put it at a high at 5 rank, because it is giving you value for money, right? So it's a pure value for money for you, and you are getting this good college. And I mean, say decent college, their placement will be 40 to 50% in the in many of these colleges, right? 50%, right? But at the 50% placements, you are justifying the investment you are doing in these colleges, right? So that's the reason I have put it in here. Now the next college in the list is SJC Chikkaballapur, right? So this is again is based out of very close to Bangalore at Tumkur at Chikkaballapur, which is a part of almost extended Bangalore. So that's why I've kept it here. It's also a good college, 1,63,000, little bit out of the Bangalore city, but yes, in Chikkaballapur. So this is also good. The seventh rank I have put is the Sambram, right? So little bit lower on the ranking, but 40 to 50% placements, and at least placement for CSC, ISC, and electronics will happen. So when I'm doing the review of only top colleges, that means placement of these branches are happening in this college, right? And that will be 70, 80, 90%. When I said 50%, it is overall, but for these branches it will be more than 50%, so 70, 60, 80, depending on which college it is, right? So Sambram, again, you see the fee structure, it's a 75,000. So you can complete your computer science engineering in 75,000 into 4, which is 3 lakh rupees. At the same time, since the placements are there, you can get the job also. So that's you get a 3 lakhs investment, you complete your engineering, and at the same time you get a package of 4 lakhs also. Then it is good, right? So you are justifying in 1 year value for money. Similarly, at RII Institute of Technology, the fees is high, 1,63,000, but college is again decent, so I'll kept it at 8th rank. And then Sri Venkateshwara College of India, fees is high, 163, and Jyoti also 163. So here you see fees are high, but the rankings are almost similar to the previous ones like AMC or the Sambaram, right? So that's why I have put them above these colleges. So these are the top 10 colleges I have covered. Now let's move out of Bangalore. So in the Mysore, there are two colleges I have kept. One is the GSSS, which is is especially an Institute of Engineering and Technology for women. So this is women only college, but this college placements are very good, and the highest salary was 19 lakhs. For 19 lakhs highest salary package, company in a college, you get again all the branches are at flat 1,60,000. So that's also good. You can get everything at 1.6 lakhs, so which is quite good. In 6.5 lakhs will complete your engineering. Similarly, Maharaja Institute of Technology, again they charge 1,63,000 for the computer science and the related branches. So if I have not covered many colleges in Mysore, and because even those are the rankings are low, or placements are low, they are charging 2,21,000, which is a standard CSC fees for CSC and the other branches. So that way you are paying same as the top-notch college in Bangalore, and you are not justifying value for money. So I have covered now 12, 10 in Bangalore and 2 in Mysore. Let's move further. Now in the northern central Karnataka, there are actually very good reputed colleges, right, which are 30 to 40 years old, and they are providing 50 to 60% placement at least, right? And for these branches, top branches, CSC, ISC, and they are providing 70 to 80, 80 to 90% placement depending on which college. So first rank on this is the KLE Technological University. So this is not the KLE Technological University in Hubli, but the second campus of the same college, which is in Belgaum, right? And it is called Dr. M.S. Sheshagiri earlier, and now her name has changed. So basically, this is one of the top 20 NRF ranked colleges in Karnataka, and within that top 20 NRF ranked college, right? You are getting basically at 1,68,000. So you are not paying 2 lakh rupees, right? 221, right? So you are still saving at least 2.5 lakhs in a year. So that's why I kept this KLE Technological University, Belagavi campus as the rank 1. Now going further, Basaveshwara College of Engineering, right? It's a very reputed college in Karnataka, and it's a at least 40 to 50 years old college. So, and here also, if you see that computer science and branches are available at 1,63,000. So that's why it's the second in the list, right? And third rank in this region is called Jawaharlal Nehru College of Engineering, right, which is based out of Shimoga, right, Shimoga, which is central Karnataka, and this college is also good with the respect to placement. And I have also covered the placement for both these two colleges, Jawaharlal Nehru and Bapuji, right, and they are also charging 1,63,000 as a standard fee. So that's why you can, if you are from that region or you are from nearby, you can consider this college. So that is the fourth rank, and the fifth rank in this region is a little bit Gulbarga. Again, this is also a very old college of Karnataka, and it has got a decent placement, and I think I've covered already this video also. So this fees is 1,40,000. So you are saving some more money, right? Here AIML is available at 1,20,000, right? So you can understand that you are going to do engineering within 5 lakhs, right, with this type of fee structure. So that way it is good. So you can consider these colleges as a fifth rank. So now total 12 plus 5, 17 colleges. So 3 more colleges are left, and that will be in the Mangalore region. So let's start with the Mangalore region. So Mangalore region, the first college is MITE. So Sayadri and the other college as JEC are the best, but they are charging 2,21,000 from the fee structure. So that's why they are not on the list. But Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering is also having a good placements, and it provides a lot of opportunities within cyber security, computer science, all the branches, right, traditionally, and then 4 or 5 options from computer science. So cutoff is low, fees are also low, so you can consider this as the best in that region. Now coming to the last two colleges, right? So 19th rank will be Alvas Institute of Engineering and Technology. So that's they are charging around 1,45,000. So basically for information science you can do within 6 lakhs, and other branches like your EC they're charging 1,20,000. So that's also good. And the last college in the list is SDMIT. So you see this is part of the same SDM group which I have reviewed earlier. So this is SDM CET Dharwad group, and this is a other college which is in Bangalore region. So, and you see the fees here, it's around 1,25,000. So within the 5 lakhs you will be able to do your engineering with a Comet K seats, right? So this is how these are the three from Bangalore. So total 20 colleges now I have. Thanks, friend. So that's what all I have in our top 20 fees wise. And thanks for watching. And please do subscribe to my channel if you have already not done, and like and share the videos. Please let me know any query you have and on the comment box. So thank you for watching once again.